Hey y'all, so helpful hint here. I don't know if any of you have, this is a grapefruit spoon. You can see a serrated edge. It is great for cleaning out the membranes inside peppers, getting all those seeds out, just really, cleaning them up. And then if you need to kind of like cut a little piece off, it's sharp, you can cut it off. You can't cut yourself. I don't let my kids eat with them because they are sharper, but watching this, I need to cut this out right here, just chop, 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 chop. Don't cut toward yourself, obviously. There you go, and it's clean. It just works really well. So anyway, there's your helpful hint for the day. See you next time on Cooking on the Farm.